With automated print fulfillment in NextGEN Gallery Pro, you can not only create beautiful online galleries, but also enable your customers to purchase professional prints and have them automatically shipped directly from the print lab right to their door. To enable automated print fulfillment on your site, first visit the Ecommerce Set Up page and complete the requirements listed here. You can even launch a wizard, which will walk you through each step of configuring the settings for e-commerce and the print lab integration. But in this video, I'll quickly walk you through these settings one at a time. First, we'll visit the general e-commerce options to select which pages you'd like to use for checkout, order confirmation, cancellation, and digital downloads. Next, be sure you've entered your studio's name, address, and a contact email. You can also enable sales tax calculations using TaxJar, a popular third-party service that automatically calculates sales tax depending on your customer's location. Be sure to save these options before moving on. Next, you'll need to configure at least one payment gateway. You can enable PayPal if you like, or accept credit card payments by enabling the Stripe gateway. But for quick testing, you can enable the Test gateway, which will not actually process or collect any payments. All right, next, select the Print Lab Integration tab. Now, you'll need to enter a valid credit card if you want to use automated print fulfillment. But you won't be charged until a customer submits a Print Lab order on your site. At that point, the Print Lab will bill your card for the wholesale cost of the prints and shipping. Enter your credit card information, then click Update to save your card information securely with Stripe. The next step is to create a price list. Click Add New, then enter a name for your price list. Next, click Add Product and select WHCC Prints to add the print items that are available from our lab partner, White House Custom Color. Now, we've pre-selected the most popular WHCC print items for you, including canvas prints, traditional mounted prints, and regular prints in different finishes. You can choose which products to offer, but for now, I'll just click Add Product to add all these items to our price list. And now you can view a list of the products that will be available to your customers, your wholesale cost, and the price you'll charge your customers for each product. You can override the prices if you want, or delete any item from the list. When you're happy with the price list, scroll to the bottom and click Save. All right, with our price list in place, there are only a few remaining settings to configure. First, select Gallery, Other Options, and enable automatic resizing for uploaded images. You'll also need to enable backups to preserve your original high-resolution images. Next, select the Lightbox Effects tab and choose the NextGEN Pro Lightbox, which contains the interface for adding items to a shopping cart. Before we leave, be sure to save your changes to these options. Now we need to choose a gallery of images we'd like to sell. Click Manage Galleries to see a list of your photo galleries. You can create a new gallery by uploading some images or select an existing gallery from the list. Click to expand the gallery settings and select your new price list from the drop-down menu. Then save your changes. All right, with these settings in place, we're ready to insert this gallery into a page. Select Pages, then choose an existing page from the list. Or click Add New to create a new page. Enter a title for your page, then click the button to insert a block. You can type NextGen to search for the NextGen Gallery block, then click to add it to the page. Next, click the button inside the gallery block to add a NextGen gallery. Select the gallery we assigned the price list to earlier, and then choose how you'd like your gallery to display. I'll choose the Pro Mosaic display. Now, before we insert this gallery into the page, there's one more important setting. Select Customize Display Settings at the top, and then Enable E-commerce. This is what enables your customers to order prints from your site. And now we can insert the gallery into our page. And that's it. When we publish this page, our customers can not only view the images in a gallery, but also purchase gorgeous prints that will be automatically shipped directly to their door. And of course, you can review orders placed through your site and check on their status at any time. So why not free your time to do what you do best, while selling gorgeous prints to your customers with automated print fulfillment in NextGEN Gallery Pro?